You want fast food, but without soggy fries or rubbery pizza. This hot pot cooks real meals in minutes, no oil, no stove, no mess. Soups, dumplings, ramen, even eggs. It's small enough to fit in a drawer, but smart enough to replace half your kitchen. Honestly, my microwave's just jealous now. Looking to enhance your KitchenAid stand mixer's versatility? The KitchenAid KSM2 FPA food processor attachment transforms your mixer into a powerful food processor. Equipped with the Exact Slice system, it allows you to adjust slicing thickness with a simple lever, ensuring precise cuts every time. The wide feed tube accommodates various sizes of fruits, vegetables, and cheeses, reducing prep time. Included are slicing, shredding, julienne discs, and a commercial-style dicing kit for uniform 8mm cubes. All components are BPA-free and come with a convenient storage case. Compatible with all KitchenAid stand mixers, this attachment is a must-have for efficient meal prep. Hosting a dinner party? The Food Party 2-in-1 electric smokeless grill and hot pot lets everyone cook their favorites right at the table. With dual temperature controls, it ensures perfect results for grilling and simmering. The non-stick coating and removable parts simplify cleanup. Whether it's a cozy dinner or festive gathering, this gadget brings fun, flavor, and togetherness to every bite. It's more than a cooker, it's the center of the table. Looking to simplify your cooking routine? The Ninja Crispy 4-in-1 portable glass air fryer offers versatile functionality in a compact design. With 4 QT and 6-cup Tupperware glass containers, you can prepare meals ranging from single servings to family-sized dishes. Its 4-in-1 capabilities max crisp, bake, air fry, and recrisp allow for diverse cooking options. The borosilicate glass containers are thermal shock resistant, transitioning from freezer to oven safely. Snap-lock lids ensure leak-proof storage, and all components are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Whether you're cooking at home or on the go, the Ninja Crispy delivers convenience and efficiency. Craving a Korean BBQ night at home? The Topwood 2-in-1 electric hot pot and grill brings the experience indoors. With independent temperature controls for both the 600W hot pot and 600W grill, you can simmer broth while searing meat simultaneously. The non-stick, ECO-friendly coating ensures easy food release and effortless cleanup. Its compact size fits comfortably on countertops, making it perfect for apartments or dorms. Safety features like overheat protection and boil dry prevention offer peace of mind. Whether it's shabu shabu, noodles, or grilled veggies, this appliance delivers versatility and fun to your meals. Looking for a healthier way to enjoy your favorite fried foods? The Greenlife 4.5 QT mechanical air fryer offers a PFAS-free ceramic non-stick crisper drawer, ensuring easy food release and quick cleanup. With adjustable temperature and timer dials, you have precise control over your cooking. The LED indicator light signals when your meal is ready, and the dishwasher-safe components make maintenance a breeze. Its compact design fits seamlessly into any kitchen, making it perfect for daily use. Whether you're cooking for one or preparing snacks for the family, this air fryer delivers crispy results with less oil. Craving homemade ice cream without the hassle? The Winter ICM 201 Somebody lets you churn up to 2.1 quarts of creamy desserts, no PRE freezing required. Its built-in compressor ensures continuous use, while the LCD display and timer offer precise control. With a stainless steel bowl and BPA-free churn blade, cleanup is a breeze. Perfect for year-round frozen treats. Need a reliable kitchen assistant? The Cuisinart DFP14 BCNY offers a powerful 720-watt motor and a 14-cup capacity, perfect for large batches. Its extra-large feed tube accommodates whole fruits and vegetables, reducing prep time. Equipped with stainless steel slicing, shredding, and chopping blades, it handles various tasks effortlessly. Simple on and off pulse controls make operation easy. All removable parts are dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. Looking for a compact solution for quick meals? The Uliki 1.5-liter electric hot pot offers dual power settings, 300W for gentle simmering and 600W for rapid boiling, giving you control over your cooking. Its non-stick interior ensures easy cleanup, while the overheat protection feature adds safety. Perfect for dorms, offices, or small kitchens, this versatile pot is ideal for noodles, soups, eggs, and even hot beverages. The ergonomic handle and simple controls make it user-friendly, and its sleek design fits seamlessly into any space. Whether you're craving a late-night ramen fix or warming up soup at work, this hot pot is ready in minutes, no stove required. Looking to maximize your kitchen's potential? The Ninja SP101 offers 8 cooking functions: air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, bagel, toast, dehydrate, and keep warm, all in a compact design. Its digital crisp control technology ensures precise temperature and airflow for optimal results. With a 60-second preheat and cooking speeds up to 60% faster than traditional ovens, meals are ready in no time. The flip-up design saves counter space, and the removable crumb tray simplifies cleanup. Whether you're toasting, roasting, or dehydrating, this oven delivers versatility and efficiency. Need a reliable solution for hot water on demand? The Zojirushi CDLTC50 commercial water boiler and warmer offers a generous 169 ounces 5-litre capacity, serving up to 21 cups of 8 ounces each. Its countertop design requires no plumbing, making it ideal for offices, catering, or busy kitchens. With precise temperature control settings, you can select the perfect heat level for tea, coffee, or instant meals. The energy-saving timer function and automatic shut-off enhance safety and efficiency. Its durable stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the easy-to-read water level gauge and LCD display provide user-friendly operation. Craving crispy, golden fries or savory fried chicken at home? The Elite Gourmet Deep Fryer features a 4.5 quart oil capacity and comes with 3 baskets, 2 small and 1 large, allowing you to cook multiple items simultaneously. Its 1700 watt heating element ensures quick and even frying, while adjustable temperature controls and a 30-minute timer provide precision. The stainless steel lid includes a viewing window and odor-reducing filter, and the removable enamel oil tank simplifies cleanup. Looking to bring the ice cream parlor experience home? The Fellas Beeb Instant Ice Cream Roller Maker Tray lets you craft rolled ice cream, frozen yogurt, and sorbet in minutes. Made from food-grade SAS 316 stainless steel, it ensures durability and easy cleaning. Simply freeze the tray upside down for 12 hours, pour your mixture, and use the included spatulas to create personalized treats. Its 150 milliliters capacity allows for multiple servings, making it perfect for family activities or parties. The non-slip base and tight sealing lid enhance safety and storage. Compact in design, it's ideal for kitchens with limited space. Whether you're hosting a gathering or enjoying a weekend project with kids, this DIY ice cream maker adds fun to dessert time. Looking for a versatile kitchen appliance? The Ninja FD401 Foodie Deluxe XL offers 12 cooking functions, including pressure cooking, air frying, steaming, and more. Its 8-quart ceramic-coated pot and 5-quart cook and crisp basket accommodate large meals, perfect for families. Tender Crisp technology ensures juicy interiors with crispy exteriors. With a deluxe reversible rack and 45 recipe guide, it brings power and creativity to your meals. Sick of juggling ingredients and washing bowls mid-recipe? The Chinkata 400W food processor comes with 2 8-cup bowls, 1 durable glass, 1 304 stainless steel, so you can chop meats and veggies separately without cross-contamination. Its powerful motor and double-layered sharp blades process ingredients in as little as 6 seconds. And here's the bonus: the included spatula makes scraping down the sides clean and effortless, so nothing goes to waste. With 2 speed settings, it handles everything from nuts to baby food. Safety features include an internal lock that stops the blades if the lid is lifted and a 2-minute overheat protection. Non-slip rubber pads ensure stability during operation. All components, except the motor, are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Tired of microwave meals that taste like cardboard? The Topwood 1.5-litre electric hot pot brings real cooking to small spaces. Whether you're in a dorm, office, or tight kitchen, this compact appliance lets you boil, simmer, or reheat with ease. Featuring dual power settings 300W for gentle heating and 600W for fast boiling, it's perfect for noodles, soups, dumplings, eggs, and even oatmeal. The food-grade non-stick interior ensures easy cleanup. While the overheat and boil dry protection keeps things safe, its ergonomic handle stays cool during use, and the simple dial makes operation foolproof. The clear glass lid lets you monitor food without opening, and the sleek black finish fits any countertop. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to store when not in use. From midnight snacks to lunch breaks, this hot pot makes sure you eat warm, fresh, and fast. No stove required. Tired of food processors that can't keep up with your culinary ambitions? The Breville Sue Chef 16-cup food processor is designed for serious home chefs. Its powerful 1-for-50W motor and extra-large 16-cup capacity bowl handle everything from slicing vegetables to kneading dough with ease. The adjustable slicing disc offers 20 for thickness settings, ensuring precision for every recipe. Its wide feed chute minimizes PRE cutting, saving you time in the kitchen. The durable stainless steel construction not only looks sleek but also ensures longevity. Safety features like the safety braking system provide peace of mind during operation. Whether you're preparing a quick meal or an elaborate feast, this processor delivers consistent results. Elevate your cooking experience with a tool that's as versatile as your culinary creativity. Craving crispy, golden tempura at home? The Gerade 11 Tempura Fryer Pot brings authentic Japanese frying to your kitchen. Crafted from durable 300 for stainless steel, it ensures even heat distribution and long-lasting performance. The built-in thermometer allows precise temperature control, ensuring perfect results every time. Its unique lid design prevents oil splatters, while the removable oil drip drainer rack lets excess oil drain off your food, promoting healthier cooking. Compatible with all stovetops, including induction, this fryer is easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Whether you're frying tempura, chicken, or French fries, this pot delivers restaurant-quality results in the comfort of your home. Craving a warm meal but short on time and space? The Desen 1.5-liter electric hot pot is your versatile solution for quick and easy cooking. With dual power settings 250W for gentle simmering and 600W for rapid boiling, you can prepare noodles, soups, eggs, or even stew vegetables with precision. Its food-grade non-stick coating ensures effortless cleanup, while the overheat and boil-dry protection features provide added safety. The included steamer tray expands your cooking options, allowing you to steam dumplings or vegetables simultaneously. The ergonomic handle and simple controls make it user-friendly, and its compact design fits seamlessly into any kitchen, dorm, or office space. Whether you're whipping up a late-night snack or a quick lunch, this upgraded hot pot delivers convenience and efficiency. It's compact, reliable, and always ready when you need a hot meal. Looking to add a touch of cuteness to your meals? The Uncanny brand's Hello Kitty Hot Pot set features an officially licensed design, including a hot pot, 2 ceramic bowls, and chopsticks. Perfect for fans and collectors, it brings charm and functionality to your dining experience. It's also a fun gift for anime lovers or Hello Kitty fans of all ages. Craving crispy fries without the guilt? The Dashtasty Crisp electric air fryer uses air crisp technology to cook with hot air instead of oil, reducing added fat by 70-80. Its 2.6 quart capacity is perfect for quick meals and snacks, and the non-stick fry basket ensures easy cleanup. With a 1000W power rating, it heats up quickly, allowing you to prepare your favorite dishes in minutes. The adjustable temperature control and 30-minute timer give you precise cooking options, while the auto shut-off feature adds safety. Its compact design fits neatly on any countertop, making it ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or RVs. The sleek aqua finish adds a pop of color to your kitchen decor. Whether you're cooking frozen treats or fresh ingredients, this air fryer delivers delicious results with less mess. Experience healthier cooking without sacrificing flavor or convenience. Need a quick meal without the mess? The Zelaka 1-liter mini electric hot pot is your compact solution for fast, efficient cooking. With a 450W heating element, it boils water rapidly, perfect for noodles, soups, or oatmeal. Its non-stick ceramic-coated interior ensures easy cleanup, while the detachable power cord adds convenience. Safety features include overheat and boil-dry protection, giving you peace of mind during use. The transparent glass lid lets you monitor your cooking, and the compact design makes it ideal for dorms, offices, or travel. Whether you're preparing a late-night snack or a quick lunch, this mini hot pot delivers versatility and efficiency. Craving a frozen treat without the wait? The Dash My Mug ice cream maker lets you whip up single servings of ice cream, gelato, sorbet, or frozen yogurt in just 20 minutes. Simply freeze the base, add your ingredients, and press the on button for a delectable snack. The built-in ingredient chute allows you to customize your dessert with your favorite mix-ins, creating a unique homemade experience. Its innovative design doubles as a freezable mug, letting you enjoy your creation straight from the source. All accessories detach and store neatly inside the mug, making it perfect for kitchens with limited space. Whether you're indulging in a late-night snack or hosting a cozy gathering, this compact ice cream maker delivers convenience and fun. Includes 2 bowls, a recipe guide, and an instruction manual. Craving crispy, golden fries without the hassle? The Presto Fritity electric deep fryer offers a compact solution for deep frying favorites like chicken, shrimp, and onion rings. With a 4-cup oil capacity, it prepares up to 4 servings, making it perfect for small households. The automatic temperature control ensures consistent results, eliminating guesswork. Its non-stick surface, both inside and out, simplifies cleanup, while the included scoop allows for easy lifting and draining of food. The snap-on lid enables convenient oil storage, reducing waste. Designed with a compact footprint and a swing-up handle, it's easy to store and ideal for kitchens with limited space. Whether you're preparing snacks or meals, the Fritity delivers delicious, deep-fried foods with minimal effort. It's a kitchen classic for a reason: simple, reliable, and always ready to fry. Need a compact solution for quick meals? The Desen electric cooker offers a 2 liters capacity, perfect for preparing noodles, soups, or oatmeal. Its non-stick coating ensures easy cleanup, while the adjustable power settings provide control over your cooking. The included steamer expands your culinary options, allowing you to steam vegetables or dumplings effortlessly. Designed with safety in mind, it features overheat protection and a cool touch handle. Whether you're in a dorm, office, or small kitchen, this cooker delivers convenience without compromising on performance. The transparent lid helps monitor your food without lifting, and the ergonomic design adds comfort during use. Cleanup is fast, and the compact body stores easily in tight spaces. It's perfect for quick breakfasts, solo dinners, or late-night cravings, all without a stove. Need a reliable source of hot water throughout the day? The Zojirushi CDLTC offers a generous 169 ounces capacity, ideal for tea, coffee, or instant meals. With 3 temperature settings and quick temp mode, you get hot water fast without boiling. The 7-hour delay timer, non-stick interior, and panorama water window add everyday convenience. It's perfect for offices, kitchens, or break rooms where hot water is always in demand. Safety features like the automatic dispense lock make it smart and secure. Sleek, quiet, and easy to use, this water boiler delivers consistent performance all day long.